Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to connect webmail to Gmail. So let's see how we can do it. So right now I am in the Hostinger Edge panel. So I am going to click on emails from here. Now select the email account. And in this tutorial we will connect this email with Gmail. So let's see how we can do it. So from the left menu we are going to click on connect apps and devices. Now we will go to Gmail. From the top, click on this setting gears icon. Click on see all settings. Now click on account and import. Click on add another email address. We are going to add our email address here. You can also choose a name for your email address. And after that, just click on next step from here. Now we need to add our SMTP server, our email username and password. So we will go back to Hostinger. And here is our SMTP server. So we are going to copy our SMTP server from here and our port is 465. So we will go back to Gmail account again. So we will paste our SMTP server here and for the port we will select 465 from here. Now we will add our email address here and after that we will add our password. Once you are done adding these details, just click on add account. Now we will go to our webmail, click on mailboxes from here and we will go to this webmail. Now here we will see the Gmail confirmation, so click on it and then click on this first link. Now click on confirm and our email account is now confirmed. Now again we will go back to our Gmail account and then click on settings and here we will see another option, check email from other accounts. So we will click on add an email account. So here we will add our email address and then click on next. Now again click on next. And now at first we need to add a username and password for our business email. After that we need to copy and paste our POP server details here. So we will go back to Hostinger, select connect apps and devices and here we will see our POP server. So we are going to copy it from here. And for the port it's 995. We will paste our POP server here and we will select the port 995. We will select always use a square connection and select label incoming messages. Now click on add account. Now we will go to our Gmail account and here we will receive an email. So we will click on it and click on this first link. Now click on confirm and now our email is confirmed. So now we can send emails from Gmail using this business email and also we will receive all the messages of this business email on our Gmail. So let's check it out. So if I go to my Gmail account and then click on compose from the top, now click on this drop down and here you will see the business email that we have just added. Now we can easily send messages using this business email. Now let's try to send a message on this business email. So click on compose. So we will add our business email here. Now we will add a subject and email content and after that click on send and now we will go back to the Gmail where we have connected this Hostinger business email. Refresh it from here and here we will see the email that we have sent from another Gmail account. So this is how you can connect your webmail to Gmail. Thank you so much for watching the video tutorial. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel.